Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today I'm going to be showing you how I use an oil-based stain for a thrifted basket makeover, so stay tuned. I chose an oil-based wood stain because I love the way it soaks into the natural grain of the basket, giving it a richer, more aged look. And the one brand that I use is Rust-Oleum Varathane wood stain in carbon gray. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to gently lift the lid off of the can. So I got a 3-piece chalk brush set off of Amazon. These chalk brushes are perfect for getting into grooves and soft enough for a smooth blend. Oil stains need a good stir since the pigments separate. I started underneath the basket and I test the area with the stain to make sure I like the color first. Once I was happy with that, I began staining in section, and I used the square tip chalk brush, and the bristles are really helpful getting into the grooves. And then after I brushed on the paint, I use a piece of old towel to wipe off any excess, give it a gentle blend, and that gives a soft distressed finish, and I really love how it's turning out. The paint has a strong scent, so I would recommend painting it in a well-ventilated area. Like myself, I'm just doing it outside on my patio. So I would continue the same process along the sides and inside of the basket. The stain tends to seep through the open weave, so it naturally coats both sides. This particular brand of stain dries in 1 hour and it achieves a color in 1 coat, and I end up using only 1 coat. This Florida sun was no joke. I had to rack out the iced tea. Whew, the heat. It was nice being outside. You could hear the birds and everything in the background, but the heat was no joke. It was not playing that day. So to clean your brushes when you use oil-based stain, I use odorless mineral spirits, and I got it from Walmart. And it definitely was not odorless. It had a strong gasoline smell, so use it in a ventilated area. I saved the handle for the last since I held it while working. Same technique, brush it on, then blend it out with the rag. If you like, you can also seal your finished basket with a clear polyurethane. Totally optional depending on how you use it. So there you go, guys. This beautiful basket, you could decorate it for any season. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette. I'll catch you guys on that next video.